This is a really fun folio to make, and it's so easy. And this is what I'm sending out as pen pal mail this month for my members that are makers and designers. The cutoff for May was May 25th, and I'm finishing up all that mail to go out to them. I waited pretty late to give everybody a chance to join if they wanted to. So if you joined after May 25th, you'll get the June mail if you signed up for makers or designers. So let me show you real quick. I've got 2 envelopes. These are about 4.5 by 6 and something, like 6 inches. And so I'm gonna fold them. I'm gonna face them this way. They're facing each other, the flap up. We're gonna take this flap and glue it to the other one. And what I'm making is 2 pockets on the inside. So I'm going to lay this right here and line it up where it can fold and open, and make sure I'm even. And then you basically have your folio. Well, I really like that this flap can slide to one side or the other, just because it promotes kind of that hidden view and something that you can't quite see, but if you move it, we've been doing a lot of that with the Secrets in the Meadow. So now for this folio on the outside, I've got 2 papers that I wanted to put on the outside, and I cut them 1/4 of an inch smaller than the original. So if you're using an envelope and you want to make this, and you're using an envelope that is 5 by 7, then you would cut it 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. And I'm using the 4.5 by 6, so I cut it or 4, a little over 4 by 6. I cut it 4.5 by, I think I made it 5.5 because I wanted to take in consideration everything. So that right there looks pretty in and of itself. But if we work on the inside, so these envelopes had adhesive. So I wanted to utilize that, but I needed more. And so for the inside flap, I'm just adding a little glue, and I wanted to put some sheet music. So I've already vintagized, if you will, and I'm going to put it on both sides. So both sides are decorated. And if I'm off a little bit, it's easy to just cut. It's like I've got glue stuck to me or something. There we go. And if it crinkles up, all the better, as I like that. I'm going to just trim this. Okay. There we are, and we have the embellishment on both sides. Now for the inside, where I have a pocket on both sides, right? Then I'm going to take some dictionary page and just cover up to where the pocket starts for the envelope. Now this is going to go right here. This is a cute little folio, and I think anybody would like, even you could do birthday card with this similar, and put your money in there, or gift card, or little notes. So that is the basics. For this inside part, I wanted to do a little pocket on the outside of it. So what I'm going to do is add my square, and I cut it at the points where it looks like a diamond, and then this created the double tuck spot. So it mirrors or finishes the image on the other side. Glue it in on 2 sides, right here. And this, I'll show you just, this is a pocket. So I have a pocket here and a pocket there. And then we're going to glue this one at the top right. So just like a page layout that you could do when your page is open. And so you can see that this is also a pocket, and this is a pocket. Now I just get to embellish. I'm going to show you also, I have a tag right here, and I made these fun like glass jars with stickers of flowers in there, and I thought it would be fun to put that right there. Wouldn't that be cute? And so I'm going to embellish a little bit, and I'll show you the finished product. Making it simple to mail. I covered the outer panels. I put cheesecloth and beauty in the in-between. Then on the inside, we've got our pages, background pages covered with dictionary page. I've got a sticker and a tag here. We made a diagonal tuck spot here and put in some ephemera there. Covered the flap. Then on this side, we put a tag and some ephemera in that envelope. And for this tuck spot here, I put the bottle ephemera with the flowers on this side. Put a word up here, and that is it. Isn't that cute? I think it is. I think you would really like making this, and you could make a lot at one time, which is why I thought it was a really good idea. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope if you're a member that you will like this when it comes to your door. Have a good day.